Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk to you about a coping saw and how to use it and why. Coping saw is a kind of an old-time tool that's still used quite extensively in cabinetry and trim work. The whole idea behind this saw is it's got the very thin blade here, and you're able to pivot this tool over and back. And now this is a detailed tool, so if you're doing trim work or you have to do very specific cuts and you have to be right on the money, this is the kind of tool you would use. Now there's plenty of power tools that have replaced this that can do the work much more quickly, but if you're an artisan or you need to do very specific cutting, this is the tool for you. Coming up next, my video about the DeWalt 5-in-1 hacksaw.